you work out how this, well, do job turns into this? Pause this video and work it out now. Figure it out yet? If you have, wow, you're clever. If you haven't, here's how you do it. Start off by writing D-O. But space the O a little further from the D. Once you've done that, do the J in the middle. Okay? And then do another O and a B. Again, space out. Do job. Now, then you go up and do zigzag. Because that is our person's hair. Then you go down from the D and round. And then you do a smiley face. Now, you can do this different ways. Now, here's another one for you. Can you get with them dots, join them up, but you can't use any line, so you can't do like that, you can't do like that, you can only do that, okay? Okay? Pause it and do it now. Done it? Can be quite confusing, can't it? So, you start off by going well, I've done that, so I can't do that. So, yeah, I did that. And then if you want, you can just go around. That's it, really. Pretty easy.